Hello, today we're unboxing the iPhone 13 Pro Max. Make sure to click the like button and subscribe to the channel. Let's get straight into the unboxing. So inside we've got the iPhone, USB-C to lightning cable, some papers and a SIM card removal pin, but no charging adapter or AirPods. So just know that you're going to have to separately buy the charging adapter unless you have one lying about. But hey, it's not all bad, at least we get an Apple sticker. Anyway, let's check out the iPhone 13 Pro Max. You can take your pick of colours: graphite, gold, silver or Sierra Blue, which is Apple's special new colour option for this year and what I've opted for. First impressions, it's got a nice finish to it. I do like the Sierra Blue colour. With previous models, some people felt that the Pacific Blue and graphite colours looked quite similar at times. That sure seems to be less of an issue with this lighter Sierra Blue though. Great stainless steel and curved design. There's a tough ceramic shield front, but with the glass back, it's definitely worth getting a protective case. If you want to know what this iPhone looks like with a different case, then check out my other video. In case you're interested, I'll fire through some quick technical details too. Storage capacity wise, Apple have got you covered. Starting at £1,049, you can get 128 gig of storage, or if you're willing to spend more, then maybe go for the 256 or 512 gig options. Apple even offers a new storage option, a massive 1TB. That'll obviously set you back a bit more, at £1,549. The phone itself is a good weight, it's around 240 grams, and you'll probably notice a smaller notch. In fact, it's about 20% smaller, but still packs the Face ID technology, giving you more viewing area and a fantastic 6.7-inch Super Retina XDR display. What's more, you have Apple's new A15 Bionic chip with special ProMotion technology, which is Apple's much cooler way of basically saying faster refresh rates of up to 120 Hz. So you benefit from a much more responsive experience. On the subject of cool features, we've got to talk about the camera system as one of the biggest advancements. You can take spectacular photos using the telephoto, wide and ultra-wide cameras, and you're going to be able to capture some fantastic moments in video with better performance in low light, cinematic mode, macro photo and video capabilities, as well as a host of other features. In fact, this video is being recorded on another iPhone 13 Pro Max. Overall, Apple made a pretty convincing case for the new iPhone 13 Pro Max, saying that it boasts faster performance, better battery life and a major upgrade to the camera system. Feel free to check out my other videos for a closer look at accessories like the MagSafe battery pack and Apple's official silicone case. Don't forget to click the like button and also subscribe to the channel